The other thing that we recommend is training. So there's a number of different sources for that, where we send out actually legit phishing emails, and they go to the employees of companies that we work for, and it says, hey, you've got this UPS package, this Amazon package. There's something wrong with your iCloud account. Click here to do something. And so what it does is the individual reads the email. If they happen to click on it, then a website comes up and says, hey, this was a training simulation that you fell for, and here's some steps that you can do to identify what things are wrong with this email so that you can be better prepared in the future. And of course, at the end of the day, the last thing you could do is, if you're not sure, you can send that email off to your IT provider and ask them questions. Hey, is this legitimate? We get those kind of requests all the time from our clients that say, hey, I'm not sure if this email is legit or not. We'll look at it and we can tell, and we can say, yes, that is definitely spam, phishing, or just some kind of bad email, or no, that is actually legitimately coming from whatever source it's coming from QuickBooks or Microsoft or whatever.